Okay, all right. So before you hire an assistant or another assistant or an outside sales agent, I want you to watch this, okay? Now, this is for you. At the upcoming Income Increase Workshop that we're hosting on March 5th, all right, I'm going to walk you through what your team should look like, okay? So I threw up here an organizational chart, okay? Oh, my name's Todd Walters, and I get to be your host that day. Now, I did 500 home sales a year right here in this marketplace for many, many years, as many of you guys know. I was the highest paid real estate agent in history in Metro Atlanta per transaction. I'm going to show you some numbers on that. Okay, that's right. I made more money per sale than any other real estate agent. And a good reason for that is value. Cost is only a factor in the absence of value, and I had a great team. All right, it's just no way to get a business built up to doing that many sales without a great team. All right, but you got to start somewhere, and you're going to start with the rainmaker. That's you. Now, as a rainmaker, there are only 5 things that you want to focus in on every day. So at the Income Increase Workshop, I'm going to share with you those 5 things. All right, but you already have an idea of some of them, right? Okay, like you got to work on your business versus in it all the time in order to gain the perspective of how to do it better. All right, so rainmaker. All right, so let's say now our first hire. Who would be our first hire? Well, that would probably be, okay, an admin who really functions as a customer service agent. Okay, that's his customer service agent. All right, so you're the rainmaker. Now I've got a CSA, customer service manager, customer service agent, who also does other paperwork and other processes. And this is a massive mistake that real estate agents make who don't know how to scale their business. They go out and hire an admin, okay, who doesn't know how to take care of the customers. But see, that's your biggest challenge as a real estate professional, is that when you get busy booking appointments every day and you have more customers than you can get to and you need some help here, you go out and hire, probably based on the industry norms and standards, an admin who doesn't know a lot about how to take care of the customers, and then you're having to jump back in to that position. Okay, so we got to get that fixed. All right, next position on the team would probably be OSAs. Okay, that's outside sales agents. Okay, and then eventually you're going to bring in an inside sales agent, or ISAs. How many ISAs do you need to support an outside sales agent team? And how many administrative people do you need to take care of the growing real estate business? Okay, what should your pay plan be on your outside sales agents? Okay, what about the inside sales agents? What's the whole model here? So I want you to write that word down, model. So at the Income Increase Workshop, I'm going to show you the model. All right, not just any model, but the model that works, the only one that works. And if you think that there's all kinds of ways to grow a super profitable sales team business, wrong. There's only one. Okay, that's why there's not very many super profitable sales team businesses. Okay, we wrote the book on it, Craig Proctor and I. I'm going to share it with you. We're going to have this chart out. It's going to be blank, and I'm going to walk you through, fill in the blanks on what your future real estate sales team should look like so that you can earn a great profit, on other people's work. So if you have a keen interest in scaling your real estate business from where it is right now to hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars a year in commissions, this Income Increase Workshop is for you. All right, and I'm going to give you my personal assurance. You come if you felt like at the end of the day that the systems that you saw cannot help you scale your business. You come up, you look me in the face and say, Todd, I don't see how any of this can make a difference in my life or business. All right, you look me in the face, and if you can say that, I will hand you a clean, crisp $100 bill for essentially wasting your time. And I'm not keen on a reputation of wasting people's times. I can assure you that day will be good for you. Okay, all right, so we're going to start with lead generation. What are the best ads to run to generate an overflow, not just any leads, but an overflow of your ideal customer? Now, once you have overflow going, okay, now what? Okay, well, we got to start to scale the business out. And then we have processes. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Your business is all about people and processes, not complicated. But look, let me end the video this way. Growing a real estate business can be complicated, and we all want to get it right. I'm just here to help. All right, so look forward to seeing you March 5th. at the Income Increase Workshop, you can just click the links around here or give us a call, and we'll make sure that your seat is saved. I think the room only holds 50, and looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much. Look forward to filling in your organizational chart. Who gets paid what? Who do you hire when? What do they do? I'm going to show you the job descriptions. I'm going to show you the ads to recruit people. Okay, the entire recruit, hire, and train and manage your super profitable sales team system. All right, that alone right there is going to take about 2 hours to run through. Okay, so it'll be cool though. You'll like it. All right, thanks again. Go serve big. See you.